Alright, so today is Sunday, March 19th, 2023. What we're going to do today is we're going to be looking over last week, ticker symbol SPY. We're just going to be looking over this for last 5 business days. As we can see over here, Thursday was great, and this is the day that I wanted to share with you the most, just because it was such an easy day to trade in comparison to the other days. So if we look at Thursday, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in that day, and the last trade takes place at around 10:30. When that trade took place, all a trader would have to do is buy and hold till the end of the day. It would have been very profitable. Easier said than done. You don't really know which direction and what's going to happen in the market as you trade. So this would require mindfulness. It would require somebody to watch the markets, but it was a very simple and profitable trading day, and the market jumped from 387 all the way to 396. So you can even say 386 if you got in at a low point, which is about a $10 difference. Now that doesn't seem like much. $10, big whoop. That's not even minimum wage if I buy one share. But keep in mind that one option contract is equal to 100 shares. So this could have been a great day for a lot of people. Now, it would have also been a great week, but I also wanted to go on the trickiest and the most difficult day to trade during this week. So this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Tuesday looks pretty easy to trade. Monday looks pretty easy to trade as well. Friday, simple. You just have to know when to enter and when to exit into these trades. But the trickiest day, which you would have still been profitable, is Wednesday. The reason why I say this is because the market is going up and down, and it's staying within this range right over here for a long period of time. As we can see, it starts off bullish, drops a little bit, goes up, drops a little bit, goes up, stays up for a while, breaks through our level right here, and drops, goes up, and you can see exactly what it's doing. The easiest trade would have been the last trade of the day, right around here. If you entered into a call, could have gone into a little bit of a drawdown. Drawdown means that count could have gone negative for a brief period of time, and then it went right up. So it went from 386 to 389, which doesn't seem like much, but it's something, depending on how many contracts or shares you buy. So I know that I've said this before, and I'm going to say it again. A lot of this comes to trading psychology, but those are two things that I just wanted to share. Wednesday and Thursday. Sometimes when in trading, you can have easy days. Trading is easy some days, and some days it's more difficult. Either way, it requires focus, it requires mindfulness, and it requires skill. Obviously, somebody would be profitable on both days, and the earning potential is a lot higher in comparison to somebody just holding on to a trade for a long period of time. Now, we're looking at SPY, S&P on the 1 minute chart. Let's look at it on the 1 hour chart. As we can see, if somebody gets into a trade, if somebody got into a put right around here on a and this was the beginning of March, somewhere around March, not the beginning of March, but around that time period. Let's see, right around here, 406, and it dropped to a low over here of 382. Yes, that is a profitable trade, and it would only require one put, and it would require very little work. However, and many people do that. Many people stay in trades for weeks, months, sometimes even years. But for the most part, at Awake Global, we are looking at it on a very, very short-term chart, and we're closing out of our positions by the end of the day. So that being said, I'm going to wrap up with this video. Today is March 19th, 2023. We were looking at the S&P, and as I said, Thursday, March 16th, Wednesday, March 15th. This would have been more of a challenge to trade, and this would have been a really easy and simple and profitable day to trade.